Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures and I am here on opening day of Stella Nova Resort. I am in one of the corner suites, the rooms in this hotel, and I'm going to show you a little bit around this room. If you want to see one of the standard rooms, we have one of those booked as well. Let's go right in this corner room and check it out. So all of the rooms here at Stella Nova sleep 4 people with 2 queens. And the lights automatically turned on when I came in. How about that? So this is a really neat corner room. You'll be able to see the differences between this and the other room that I have a video of. Obviously the thermostat there and a television here. And because of that rounded wall, there's a lot more space in this room than the standard rooms, but you just have a chair there versus the other room that has the sofa. Again, 2 queen beds, really cool, out of this world decorations. I'm going to take you over here for an up-close look at the outlets because I get a lot of questions. What kind of outlets are there? What can we charge there? So there's USB, USB-C, regular outlets, and on the front of this cloth, there are some additional, I don't know if you can see them right here. There's a USB and USB-C outlet, TV remote, and right there, obviously a little lamp. There's a drawer here between the beds, and we'll look around. Really big curtain there and a window looking out here. This window right now is kind of just looking out over houses and construction, so probably just a standard view. I'm going to try and open these curtains, and if you do open the curtains, there's just a wall there behind the curtains, so nothing extra special to see. There is a dresser here or desk, a notepad, phone, and drawers. There's a drawer there and one there. A little bit of information about what you need to know. You can pause on this if you want to read it. Okay, moving over here, there is a single cup coffee pod maker, Cuisinart, and the coffee and the cups and ice bucket here. And underneath, there is a refrigerator. Little mini fridge, enough to put some sodas and different things like that. All right, I'm gonna turn around here. Let's check out the closet. Open these doors, ironing board, a laundry bag there. There is a safe there. I always tell people to use it. Extra pillows and blankets right there. There's the iron and a luggage rack. I'm kind of curious here, the laundry. You know what? There's no price list on the laundry. Have to look into that, or maybe their costs aren't set in stone yet since this is opening day. All right, and back here. Hello everybody, 3-piece bathroom. There's like a plexiglass wall here in between the room and the bathroom. There's a curtain over it. So you could open that curtain there and kind of get some light in there. The glass is kind of tinted. Sink here, towels and washcloths. There's a hair dryer. We'll take a look at that in a minute. All right, the light switches here, kind of funky. And there's a light around the mirror and a ceiling light. Right, going into the bathroom. Oh, that was a motion light when I walked in here. That was turned on. Shower head there. Shampoo, conditioner attached to the wall, and a bar of soap here. So that's what the shower head looks like. I don't see the standard like swimming clothes rack that a lot of the places have where there's a string that goes over your shower to hang your swimming clothes. There are some hooks here behind the door. Towel rack here over the toilet. I want to add in here really quickly that there is a nice curved shower curtain rod here at the top, which gives this shower and bathtub combo a larger feel. It gives it a little bit more space when you close that shower curtain. And in the other room that we have, there is just a shower. So make sure you check that one out to see what it looks like as well. So pretty standard, cute, nice little room, but it's really neat to be able to see this corner room. If you like our videos and learned a lot from it, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below to let us know what you think about it. If you would like planning assistance for your next Universal vacation, Disney vacation, cruise, or anywhere else, look me up. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.